Have you ever wondered what the heck is the difference between a tinted moisturizer and a foundation? Because I definitely have when I was first starting out, and it's confusing. But I've been doing this a long time, and I know the difference. I know all the details, and I'm gonna share them with you. So let's get started. What is a tinted moisturizer? Is it a moisturizer? Does it just have a little tint in it? Is it like a foundation? Well, yes. The answer is yes. Just like the name says, it is a moisturizer, so it breathes that hydration into your skin. This is great for dry skin. It usually just has a hint of color, but it gives you that lightweight, hydrating, kind of sheer coverage feel. Think of it as like your skin, but better. I use a tinted moisturizer personally every day for work. Because it is so lightweight and so breathable, I can wear it all day long and not feel like my face is caked with something and feel like it's so weighed down. It literally feels like nothing is on my skin. It's perfect for no makeup days. Like I said, it's perfect for every day. And the good thing about tinted moisturizers is most of them have SPF in them as well, so it protects your skin from those harsh sun rays. The one that I'm holding and waving around right now is this Makeup Revolution Super Dewy Skin Tint Tinted Moisturizer. Mine is in the shade Medium Light. And the back says everything that I just told you. So it's lightweight, gives the skin a radiant dewy finish enriched with wild berry extract. So some of them even have skincare in them too. I guess a wild berry is skincare. I don't know, we're going with that. I'm gonna do one half of my face with a tinted moisturizer and the other half with the foundation so you can see for yourself the true difference of the products. This appears to be the middle. I'm gonna put my tinted moisturizer on a brush. I feel like it just applies a little bit better with a brush and you get a little bit more coverage. To me, tinted moisturizers these days have more coverage than normal, so just keep that in mind. If you want something lightweight, tinted moisturizer is definitely the way to go, but if you want it to kind of sheer out and not be more full coverage, definitely use a sponge. But for me, I like coverage, so I'm going to put it right directly on this brush. Let's do 2 pumps. As with any product, you want to just dab in. You don't want to swirl because that will take the coverage away. So more coverage, you want to stipple. This half with tinted moisturizer and this half with nothing. So let's zoom in. Hi. Notes from the tinted moisturizer. It is super easy to blend. It feels very hydrating, very lightweight. And you can still see my freckles peeking through, so you know that it's not super full coverage. And it just gives my skin a very nice glow. I find that with all tinted moisturizers, it just looks really, really good on the skin. It's more skin-like than a foundation. Now you can see the difference between nothing on your skin and what a tinted moisturizer can do. So let's move on to foundation. Foundation comes in all sorts of finishes: matte, satin, dewy. I think those are the ones. And all kinds of coverage levels. You can get light coverage, medium coverage, full coverage. And what foundation is made to do is to create a flawless canvas for your skin to where you can't see any freckles, no blemishes, nothing peeking out from underneath. It is literally just like you've airbrushed and painted something beautiful onto your skin. Foundation is typically used for when you have a more longer wearing day ahead of you. So if you're working really long time at work, or you have a special event or a party or a date night or something where you just want to look extra flawless, glam, you want it to last forever, you want to choose a foundation over a tinted moisturizer. Me personally, I like to use foundations with a sponge. I just think that it soaks up a little bit of the product, but it also doesn't leave your skin feeling super cakey. I just forgot that I didn't put primer on the right side, but that's okay. We're gonna put it on the left side like we normally do. For the foundation side, I'm gonna be using this NYX Bear With Me Blur foundation. This is in the shade Light Medium. I love this foundation. It looks so good on the skin. Instantly, you can see the coverage that it gives. I mean, I think it kind of speaks for itself. It is super just blurring. It looks really good. It gave me some coverage, way more than this tinted moisturizer. You can definitely tell on my nose and my forehead like how much more coverage it gives. A foundation is more my speed, but like I said, I wear a tinted moisturizer every day to work because I'm gonna be there a long time. But I love foundations for any other time because it just, I'm personally a full coverage girly, so when I put something on, I want to put something on. You know what I mean? And foundation is that for me. You can just, I mean, the difference is uncanny. I don't think that's the right word, but you can see the difference is pretty different. Think of the Tinted Moisturizer kind of like your comfortable t-shirt that you can lounge around in all day. It's so comfy. You don't feel it there. You keep going back for it because it's just so nice. Breathable, effortless, just like your t-shirt. Foundation, on the other hand, is going to be like your going out outfit. A glam dress, something that makes you feel so good and so confident because your body is sucked in all the right places. Everything looks so good. You have a more polished and more statement making, just like that outfit on the left side with your foundation. So which one is best for you, you ask? Well, if you have dry skin or love a minimal look and you want to wear something daily, I would choose a Tinted Moisturizer. If you want to have more coverage, if you have more oily skin or want something more long lasting, go with foundation. But for me personally, I like both. So you don't have to choose if you don't want to. You can mix them, you can match them, you can have some in your collection. I do all of those things. Let me know down below, are you a Tinted Moisturizer girly or are you a foundation girly? Let me know. I'm curious to see like how many of you really like the Tinted Moisturizer and really like this minimal effort compared to like a full coverage glam. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up because that really helps me know that I'm making the right videos for you. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye!